Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a package. This is from Ela Avar, and I want to say again, anytime you get Happy Meal, I can't make, oh, going the wrong way? No. Anytime you get Happy Meal, it is a hug in a box. You know what, Darren? If you had a knife, that would be better. Let me get a knife here. Hug in a box because of the whole package. It's not just the gift. I mean, this person sending us, anybody, Happy Meal, not only thought enough of you to make something or buy something or have something for you, they took the time it takes. And I know it takes, this is not a 5-minute thing getting items ready for the post office. It's a big deal. Then they take it to the post office or their mailbox. They pay the cost of shipping, which is outrageous in today's world. It's a hug in a box. It is a huge hug in a box. Oh my God. Ela's Happy Meals are always way more than you thought. Oh my God, this is, you know what, Ela? This would really be fun for Thursday night. I hope you don't mind. I'm going to hold these back. In fact, I'm going to set them right here under the camera now. We're going to open these on this coming Thursday night at 6 p.m. Central. Oh, and she's wrapped stuff. Ela, if you don't watch Ela's channel, you're missing out. It's always a giggle, and she's just fun. She's funny. She does a lot of unboxings. Oh.
And crafts, and she is talented.
She is so, her arts and crafts are second to none. Isn't that adorable? This is all done by hand. By hand, I want you to know. This means a lot, Ela. This means a whole lot. What does she call these? They are scrap monsters, I believe. If I have the name wrong, Ela, please correct me. Oh, thank you. And wait, there's more. Look at, oh, these are perfect size for my midi Blythes. In fact, the shoes and boots fit the mini Blythes too. Oh, thank you very much. Hoo, hoo, hoo. I knew this was coming. She had offered this, and we're going to build this in just a minute. And there is, oh, there's patterns here. Oh, it's patterns for this doll.
Well, that's cool.
That's very cool. Oh, I see a collab coming up. Am I right, Ela? I'm hoping I'm right. I hope you set up a collab. Well, thank you. Oh, that's fantastic. Marna, I found a few things around the house to share, so I got a few of them. The doll clothes and patterns are for the included doll. I have tried a couple of the patterns and they seem to fit, though a little tweaking may be needed. The pink and white dress I'd like to do a collab with. Oh, good. But there's a dress.
Wait, there's more.
There's more. Each of us, bit of, I don't know how to say it, Hatsune Miki dolls, Dory, Tina, Carrie are in for the collabs using these dolls. Sorry for my, oh, your penmanship is not horrible. And you've never seen mine. It is a mess. Look here, another gift. Oh my God, Ela, you are over the top generous. Oh my God, this is gonna fit.
Wow.
My miniature American Girl beds that you made.
Mm-hmm.
Look, take a close-up of this. Look at her work. She is amazing. This is sewn by hand.
That's a lot of stitching.
That's a lot of work. Well, just cutting these little squares out, a lot of work. Oh, Ela. And that's not all. There's something else here, I believe. Nope. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, I almost overlooked this. Maybe this is nothing. It could be just packaging. It is. That's not a problem. I'm not being greedy. I just want to make sure I see everything. All right, let's put this little doll together. I did.
There you go.
Oh, I hit it backwards. Okay, I am the filmer. Darren's going to be the builder. These little dolls come in little packages. They've all been opened. They're right there. Ooh, you kind of saw on the floor there. What a Happy Meal. Oh my God. They call it Happy Meal because it makes you so happy. I got Sonata Prologue. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the building instructions and her little outfit. You can leave that till last if you want. We'll get the doll together. All right. Darren is going to build.
I've been volunteered.
I am not a patient person. My hands do not manipulate small items well anymore. I should be on the other side of you, I think. Am I in your way here?
Nope.
Okay, let me give you this view. When we went to Puddle a couple years ago, a lot of people went down to the store there. There was this, what was that restaurant store?
It was some kind of a mall thing.
And they bought these little put together dolls, a lot like this, only they were smaller, weren't they?
No, they were all kinds of sizes.
Well, it's true. And they were putting them together at a table, and I mean, they were having fun.
No,
Oh, that was my finger. Look who's filming.
I'm not sure I know where this piece is here.
Okay, we're going to cut off and come back with the doll.
Well, we spared you all the fumbling for parts and trying to figure out which direction things went because it wasn't clear to us.
Very cute. Correction.
Adorable.
Her name is Diamond Minuet, and it has directions for each one separate, which is really cool. She's adorable. Just adorable. And look, maybe that's who this is for. Oh, Ela, this means so much to me. Okay, Ela sent this dress. I reread the directions. What we're going to do in a collab, and you won't want to miss this, we're going to take this outfit and fancy it up for this doll. I'm looking forward to that collab. That'll be fun. She also came with extra hand holders, which is good because when you remove hands from a doll, every time you do, you wear down that joint a little bit. So these are extra for that. I can only imagine with Ela's art talent, what she is going to do with her extra faceplate. That is so cool. Ela, this is so fun and means so much to me. And like I said, it really is a hug in a box when you get a Happy Meal. It really is. And you know, this didn't just take 10 minutes. This did not just take an hour. There's a lot of work in here. And Ela, I recognize it. And honest to God, I really appreciate everything. Thank you so much. Come Thursday night, and we will open this up live. I'm going to save these for that because that'll really be fun. See my storage in the back? Under my shelves in the back, we have storage area. Thank you, Ela and Dory, Carrie, and Tina. I am looking forward to doing this collab with you. It's really going to be fun. Folks, stay tuned. If you are not subscribed to my channel, or even if you were, would you please make sure you are, and would you please subscribe? It means a lot. Would you like this video and leave a comment? Thank you for watching. Join us live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central. Thank you, Ela. I love her. And thank you, Darren, for building her.
Well, it was fun.